Very banana-like. That's kind of interesting. You can see
Whoa.
attachment to the leaf.
It's like an umbilical cord.
I wonder if there's anything to this small leaf idea. See how this is a pretty small leaf,
Yeah.
and right after it branches off, there's these. I wonder if there's anything to that, like if the small leaf would indicate that it's closer to the tubers.
Yeah, I don't know. We could try it.
Yeah, that would be a useful tip.
Can I see it?
It might be a complete coincidence. But I might as well follow this other one since I'm on it.
Yeah, total mud banana. That's awesome.
All right, churro time. It's pretty good. So, they were pretty good. I felt like they were a little underdone in the middle, so cooking them longer would definitely help. But another thing I thought of is slicing them into discs. Little chips, and they cook way faster, and then battering them in the cinnamon sugar, and they're delicious. I recommend. Thanks for watching.